My name is Advay.
And my name is Aditya.
Today we are going to build a structure made entirely out of paper.
Wow, it took a lot of time to unroll that piece of paper.
Yeah, we are already rolled.
See, it's so easy. So, paper is pretty weak. If I keep a notebook, this paper gets completely flattened. Paper itself has no strength. But when a structure made out of paper
Hold
has
this
strength,
book.
yeah,
Let's
when it
see.
has strength,
Now we can make we have to make a cylinder made out of this so that we can
make the structure. So, my craft work is very bad. You can just you basically have to roll this paper up. So come on, roll it.
the roll is coming from all
No,
the
not like that. Roll it. See, this has to go straight.
Yeah.
This is it going straight. It will be very important.
Move your hand. And it should not be very large. It should be like thin, not very fat.
It should be flat from both these sides, which it definitely isn't.
And it's a bit cornered from here, so let's do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's suddenly crunched from here.
Not crunched.
I don't think so.
That's right.
And we also need some tape.
Yes, exactly. You can do that. I'll just give you some tape.
Yeah. Be careful with teeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to stick the tape to the top, bottom, and
And the
middle, same thing, of this cylinder. So we are using tape here because when we
Tape
use,
is the most powerful material in the world.
no, it is.
I
So
know that.
we are using tape here
Yeah.
so that this cylinder, which is made up of paper, doesn't open up.
No, but one more. Well, it is not completely tight from this side.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah. We are done. Now I made lots and lots of more, about 12 of these paper cylinders. So, and we're going to basically try to balance a book such as this one on this piece of paper.
But it's not ready yet, so it probably collapse. Yep.
Yeah.
True.
But now
We
and
just
this
dropped
was
this in.
a failed attempt
Yep.
Just
it's
see.
too thin.
and too flat. So it will,
It literally like bends.
yeah.
It will bend and then it will fall.
Yeah.
So we had to group these cylinders, but
Yeah.
that was so thin and we can't even group that together. So we'll have grouped about 3 cylinders.
That is a triangle. A triangle is the strongest shape. Is a strong shape as it's harder for them to lose its shape.
Yes, that is actually true. Like tape is not the strongest material, but triangle is a strong shape. So
It balanced lot more time than that weak link.
anyway, we just have to stick
Yeah,
these
and
cylinders
the
together.
triangles are much more stronger than squares or rectangle. So you put this here. It collapses in much more time.
As long as it doesn't have a base, it would stick properly
Yeah.
together.
So we need
So let's take something as a base and cardboard.
cardboard.
So take cardboard.
Oh, 1 second.
Group
Now
the
we are
stick
going to
together.
group these cylinders that make a
Cylinders.
triangle form, and we're going to put and we have 12. So
And this
3
tape.
12 divided by 3 is what? Tell me.
It's 4.
So we put 2 of them in the corners, 2 of them here.
So we basically use tape to stick them together.
Now how?
I'll hold it, you do it. I told him if the craft work is bad.
How? Tell me. Like this?
Just make sure it sticks together properly.
No, not like this. Okay, so we basically first stick these 3 together, and then
we actually paste them together. So because whenever we leave them, my craft work is bad. So because if
times.
I know it's necessary to tell you that. So whenever we leave these 3 together, they will obviously fall off. So this is why we need to stick them together with tape, so that
Oh, it's still not.
Yeah, of course you need more tape. We'll have to stick it from all sides. That's a lot of tape. Oh shit.
Set. Big mistake.
I know it's just try it. Try it out.
No, it's coming from here.
Because we have to,
And more tape.
yeah, stick it from all sides. It's done now. Yeah.
Oh, it's acted.
So now we have done the first one.
Now we're gonna stick it onto this cardboard. Oh,
Yeah,
let's do more. Let's do.
Yeah, we have basically have to stick more. So we have grouped all of these cylinders to make 4 triangles out of these paper cylinders. Now we have to stick these cylinders or these triangles into this cardboard. So I'll hold it to you. You know that.
I know. Good. What is what I'm doing?
Yeah, I'll just take out the tape.
Oh, like we stood. Oh, okay. Let's put this in. Let's put this. Oh no.
Should I take out more tape?
Oh dear.
Yeah. We didn't stick it properly. We need to stick it like from all sides since it's obviously going to be. Come on, stick the tape properly.
The tape is not going to sticking up.
We need no. Just that we didn't. You're not sticking it properly. See? Yeah, we need to stick it from all 4 sides. And yeah,
And now let's try putting a book on it. Then we'll do the others.
No.
I know that.
This is a video. This is not one of your I know that things.
Okay.
Edit that. Advay, just stop spoiling all this stuff. Be serious.
I actually love. We have done it on sticking on one side. Now let's do it on the others. So we have finally done all the triangles,
Yep.
cylinder triangles.
Yes.
Yeah.
So just you can see here, it's we have to place it like.
Now we have to okay. So now when we want this design to hold as many books as possible.
Yes.
Let's show you it. Let's show you it. Let's show you it. Okay, we can either flip it over and use this as the top. Either we can use this as the base. So let's do it. Now let's see how many books it can hold. That's one book. Okay. Now let's have this book. 2 books, a bit wobbly. 3. Expect 4. 5.
Now on to the really heavy books.
No, we have 1 book.
Oh yeah.
6.
Heavy book.
7. 8.
Okay, now I think it can't hold any more books.
9.
9.
Last book.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 9 books. Last book.
Oh!
It's for Jenny.
10 books! That's 10 books!
Technically 9, it crashed on the table.
Yeah, but it managed to hold. Oh my god. In the end, our structure was able to hold 10 books. Well, if we had more support, like the cylinders are still holding, but the tape has gone out.
So if we use something like a glue gun, this probably would have been able to hold 20 or 30 books without like looking like this.
And let me just see if any of our books got ripped.
No, they didn't. So
No.
this proves that cylinder is the strongest. I mean, triangle is the strongest.
Yeah.
So
So this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share. with a subscribe button on it. Until the next video,
Bye.
bye.